Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to get code on Viber. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll open my Viber and you can see this is my Viber interface. Now I'll tap on this Start Now. After that you can see my country is automatically detected. Now all you need to do is enter your phone number. I'll enter mine. After entering your phone number, just tap on this Continue. And again tap on this Continue. After that, you will receive the code on your mobile phone. Just enter that code. After that, you can see we have successfully entered our code on Viber. So in this way, we can get code on Viber. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.